I'm not giving the problem number and anything. This is from the textbook only. One example problem here. So the question is given to you to prove that cot A minus cos A. Example number 14 by cot A plus cos A is equals to cosec A minus 1. Cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. This you need to prove it. So first thing you need to know that what is cot. Cot is nothing but Gopal. Trigonometric ratio. How many trigonometric ratios है? पता है? 6 है. So one is sine, cos, tan is nothing but sine by cos. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So cot बोले तो cos by sine. Tan बोले तो sine by cos. Is it okay? So cot, you have to write this one in the form of the cosec. This cot A, left hand side you consider this one, and you write it as a cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A. This cot A you write it as a cos by sine. You write it as a cos by sine. So cos A by sine A minus cos A by, this is cos A by sine A plus cos A. So from the numerator and denominator, cos A can be taken common. Numerator में cos A common ले लो. So what do you need here? 1 by sine A minus 1. By here also cos A if you are taking 1 by sine A plus 1 you are going to get it. This cos A will get cancelled. Then you can write it as a, in the word way, 1 by sine A can be written as cosec A. Simple. So cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. You try to write along with me. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं बोलते समय लिखने के लिए try करो. Because otherwise time will not be there. Now you copy this one in your notebook. जल्दी क्या हो? So मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I am saying to you, this notebook only read and maths. इसमें दूसरा नहीं करना. Only maths. Only maths should be done. Maths के लिए one practice notebook separate करना है. ये क्या है? इसे क्या है? दूसरा एक separate नहीं है तो वो तो suppose if you are having a problem to find a number, then I will provide. इस वैसे तो थोड़ा सा problem है, पूछ लो कोई problem नहीं. Okay? At least I will help you to solve that. So maximum आप लोग 1 mark questions, 2 marks questions सारा practice करना है. कितना ज़्यादा practice करना है. 1 mark questions सीखना, 1 mark questions 16 questions आना, and 16, 17, 18, 19 questions, 16 to 20 questions, 4 questions are age-based questions. They are also very simple questions. And 2 marks questions. ये 2 marks questions भी simple questions. ठीक? Okay. Okay. So, apart from that, some questions let us take from the previous years only. One more questions, simple questions let us discuss because that is very easy to do. One more questions I am going to explain to you from the previous years, whatever the questions are given. Okay. So the one question is given to you in 2009. That is, if sine theta is equals to 1 by 3, find the value of 2 cot square theta plus 2. This value you need to find out. One mark question. Okay. Sin theta equal to 1 by 3. 2 cot square theta plus 2. So when one trigonometric ratio is given to you, then how do we find out the other trigonometric ratios? So one trigonometric ratio is given to you means you have to consider the one right angle. In this theta you consider this one. Sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. A opposite by a hypotenuse. So you consider this triangle as a ABC. So using the Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, you can write it as a AC square, hypotenuse square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC how much here? 3. 3 square is equals to AB, we don't, AB it is given to you 1. BC we need to find out. So 9 minus 1 is equals to BC square. So BC is equals to, BC square is equals to 8. BC is equals to under root of 8. So this is root 8. So this everyone have to learn. How do we find out one trigonometric, any trigonometric ratio? Suppose sin theta is given to you, opposite by hypotenuse. Actually, you should not consider exactly 1 and 3. Either 1k, 3k you have to consider. Because with the trigonometric ratio, but that may be a little bit complicated to you. You may feel it is a little bit difficult, and that's why I'm saying to you in easiest. Okay, then what is cot theta? Can you say anyone of you? Cot theta. What is cot theta? Cot बोले तो adjacent by opposite. Tan बोले तो opposite by adjacent. Sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. ये सारा पहले आपको पता है. Sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. ये थीटा है, इसका opposite ये है, ये hypotenuse है. Opposite by hypotenuse. What sin? Cos is nothing but adjacent. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. And the cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. So that is nothing but this you are going to get it as a root 8 by 1. So which is equals to root 8 you are going to get. So cot square theta क्या आएगा? ये है. हमको क्या चाहिए? What is asking you to find out? 2 cot square theta plus 2 is asking you to find out. So here what do you get here? 2 into cot square theta is 8 plus 2. So 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. So like this, mostly concentrate on the 1 mark questions. Simple questions. Yes, are simple questions. Next here, another question is second one. Secant square theta into sin theta is equals to k. Find the value of k. It is equals to k and find the value of k. Okay. So how do you simplify it? इसको simplify करना है. Cos square theta, cosec square theta is nothing but cosec is a reciprocal of cos. Cosec is the reciprocal of cos. See here, once again I am reminding you, sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Or you can write it as a sin theta by, note down here in your notebook, sin theta by. Next one, cot. Cot is the what here? Reciprocal of tan. Tan का reciprocal है. Co-tangent उसमें ही है. Tangent तो before को add कर, इधर को add कर, इधर को add कर. Simple, easy way to remember. ये तीनों याद रख के इसको को add करो. First three digits क्या होगा? cot होता है. तो ये उसका रेसिप्रोकल है. इजी वे टू रिमेंबर. इसको को ऐड करना, कोसेक. एक्चुअली सीकेंट है ना. cos theta is secant theta here, cosecant theta here, normally cosecant theta here. Okay. Secant is one and cosecant is secant. Okay. So now here simple cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta is what here? Reciprocal of tan theta. So tan theta का reciprocal में तो ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा, same हो जाएगा. इधर adjacent by opposite होगा. And this is cos theta by sin theta. Next, secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta का reciprocal. इसको reciprocal secant. तो ये 1 by reverse होगा. So that is nothing but here hypotenuse by adjacent. And cosec theta is reciprocal of first one, sin theta. So that is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. And here whenever you see that reciprocal is nothing but secant square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta. You can write it as a 1 by cos square theta. And 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta क्या आएगा? 1 plus yes, 1 minus sin square theta. So you need to know the identities. We are having main identities in the trigonometry. What are the main identities we are having? 3 identities are there. What are the? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. And third one, cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equals to 1. इसमें क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? पहला वाला, ये sin square को उधर लेके जाओ. What do you get? 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square करो तो cos square लिख सकते हैं. तो इसको cos square लिख सकते हैं. तो 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है ना. बट all these are not in your textbook. Textbook में ये सारा नहीं है. बट there may be a chance of having these questions in exams. Previous years में ये डिस्कस कर लिया है, ये क्वेश्चंस आया है. ओके. In 2018, one question it is given to you. That is simple question. Okay. Cos square 67 degrees minus sin square 23 degrees. Actually, this is based on a complementary angles concept. This year deleted this one, but better you learn it because in future it will be useful to you. Cos square 67, sin square 23. So what are the complementary angles? What is meant by complementary? Here सारा formulas लिख रहा हूँ right hand side. Okay. So complementary angles बोले तो sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equals to cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equals to secant theta. What? तो ये क्या है cos square 67 degrees minus sin square 23 degrees. इसमें if you are observing properly, normally ये 67 को आप 90 minus फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. Can you write 90 minus something? 67 नंबर को 90 minus 23 लिख सकते हैं. So you write this one cos square 90 minus 23 minus ये इसको चेंज कर दो. दोनों में एक ही को चेंज करना है. Any one you have to change. So ये cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is what here? Sin theta. So this can be written as sin square 23 minus sin square 23, which is equals to 3. समझ में आया? हाँ? So simple problems like this, simple problems only you try to concentrate. And that problems will bring you the good score also. Simple concepts, okay? Next. Yes. See this question. Three x is equals to cosec theta. 3x is equals to cosec theta. And 3 by x is equals to cot theta. 3x is equals to cosec theta. 3 by x is equals to cot theta. And find the value of 3x square minus 1 by x square. This is a question asked in 2010. 2010 CBSE में ये क्वेश्चन पूछ दिया. ट्राई कर लो if you are able to do it. Can you do it? क्या कर सकते हैं? पहले इन दोनों को ऐड कर लो. First you add these two, 3x plus 3 by x. What do you get here? Cosec theta minus cot theta. तो 3 को कॉमन ले लो, x plus 1 by x आ गया. This is cosec theta minus cot theta. What I am saying, this is 1, this is 2. I am doing here 1 plus 2. First equation, second equation for add कर. Cosec theta minus cot. We are having cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. तो हम प्लस पहले प्लस लेना है, ऐड करना है. So cosec theta प्लस कर देना. Next subtract करना. So 1 minus 2 करना. So what do you get here? 1 minus 2 implies 3x minus 3 by x is equals to cosec theta minus cot theta. So from this you take the 3 common. We are going to get cosec square cosec theta minus cot. So इसको third equation मान लो, इसको fourth equation मान लो. 4 and 3 multiply. 4 and 3 and 4 multiply. Why? Because we need what? 3 into x square minus 1 by x square. So either x plus 1 by x, either x minus 1 by x is there. तो a plus b into a minus b. ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. सिंपल लॉजिक है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, बट लॉजिक बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को नहीं आएगा. So which are not there in the textbook and which are given in previous exams that we are discussing now. Okay, so now what do you get here from this? You can write it as a 3x plus 1 by x, 3 into 4 कर multiply. So 3 into x plus 1 by x into 3 into x minus 1 by x is equals to cosec theta plus cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta. तो ये क्या होगा? 3 से 3 9 होगा. Otherwise we need actually 3 only ना. 1 3 को right side भेज दो. You try to send the 1 3 to the right side. So what do you get here? 3 into x plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x is equals to 1 by 3 हो जाएगा. इधर cosec square theta minus cot square theta. तो ये क्या है? a plus b into a minus b. a square minus b square is equals to 1 by 3 into 1, which is equals to 1. The value is 1 by 3. क्वेश्चन अच्छा है ना? हाँ? 1 mark. इतना बड़ा लिख रहे हैं? सेम मॉडल क्वेश्चन 2010 में वन मोर क्वेश्चन भी आया है. 6 by x is given to you. Okay, सेम मॉडल में वन मोर क्वेश्चन है, वो आपको होमवर्क भी जैसा देना. सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन गिवन टू यू? यू ट्राई. 6x is equals to secant theta is given and 3 by x is equal to 6 by x is equals to tan theta is given and asking you to find out 9 into x square minus 1 by x square value. What is the value of this? What is the value of 6x is equals to secant theta, 6 by x is equals to tan theta, and what is the value of 9 into x square minus 1 by x square? Actually, what do you get here? ये दोनों को ऐड करो. 6x plus 6 by x, 6 कॉमन ले लो, x plus 1 by x. सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो 6 से. 6 से 36 आ जाएगा. इधर क्या आएगा? 3 3 से 9 आएगा. तो 36 में आप क्या करना है? 9 को रख के 36 के अंदर ना 4 से 36. तो वो 4 को राइट हैंड साइड भेज दो. द आंसर इज 1 by 4. Here you are going to get the answer as a 1 by 4. But instead of cosec theta, secant theta is given. Instead of cot theta, tan theta is given. secant square theta. We are using here cosec square minus cot square theta. But here what you have to do? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. You have to use it. So like this, 1 more questions are there. So mostly my request is to you to try for the mostly 1 mark questions and 4 marks questions, 5 marks.